Hi guys, in this session we'll learn how to use trim function. Uh, if you see this a table between the body and the wash, you can see there is one space, which there are two spaces. Actually, there should be one. Face cream. Somebody has when they did the data entry, they have left lot of spaces. They have entered lot of spaces before face. Similarly, if you see in body lotion, there are more than one space. This is normally very useful when you are getting the table from somewhere and you don't know what is the status of that table and what different problems are there in that table. And if you have to go manually setting up all these problems right, it is a time consuming process. So Excel has got a feature where you can set all these problems by using a function known as trim function. So again, uh, the you will create a column next to the problematic column. So for doing that, we'll select column B here, insert. Now we have got one column next to column A, and here, like always, we'll start writing our equation is equal to trim and we'll say we have the problem with cell A3, which is very clear from here. A3 and return. Now you can see this body wash and this body wash. It has removed the extra space from there. Now here we'll take the cursor to the right bottom corner till it turns into a black plus, and then bring it all up to the last of the table, leave it, and if we go further we'll see it has set face cream right, it has set body lotion right, so all your problems are sorted out. Now to bring this back into into column A, it's simple. Select this, copy, then select A, paste, but we'll go for paste special because otherwise it will copy the formula, and in paste special we will go for paste values only and we will paste it there. So now all this corrected data is back into column A. We'll select column B and delete it. So now our table is looking much cleaner and in better shape. Thank you.